We got our head here, we finished. We've let it set up and dry real well. We put 2 coats of red on this. So it's ready now so we can highlight it and start painting it by hand, what we had to paint. We're just going to use regular craft paint for this, for whatever we need. You can find these craft paints at any store that sells art supplies. So we've got different type brushes we're going to be using. This here is good if you want to like sprinkle on it to highlight the color a little bit, or if you want to maybe dab a little bit in the ears. These work good for that. Regular size brushes work really well for depending on what you're painting. So we want to paint the lip here, the inside of this mouth. We want to paint the teeth. We want to get those painted. We're going to paint these horns black. The hands here, we'll paint on the fingernails, and then we'll highlight our marks in here so they'll pop out a little better. So we'll start highlighting that and let it dry, and then we'll come back with our next step. So if you enjoy my videos, find them helpful, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put in my comment section and I'll get back with you. Thanks for watching.